Oh, what's in there?
Bags.
For me?
No, Mom.
Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's 4th of January today. I'm going to do another haul. In this video, I'm going to share some handbags. The parcel just came yesterday, so I thought I'll just share this with you all. Let's quickly see what I got. Okay, so let's see the first bag, which is a green handbag, and literally I just wanted a green bag, so I got few of green. So this is the first one. This is how it looks. It's beautiful. Like it? I like it. Eddie, you like it? You don't like it? You're not even looking. Are you?
You're just gonna put it up there and never wear it.
Yeah, so it's for decoration. It comes with this long strap. Quite okay. Okay, let's see the other one. Okay, this is the second one, and I think it's a white bag. It comes so nicely packed. This is really a good bag, and like it comes very nicely packed. Wow, such a good size shoulder bag. Love it. तुमको like करा? This is the brand.
Correct.
Colette, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. Wow. It's not this one. ना? अच्छा लगे ना?
Yeah, very shiny.
मीरा में दिखा हुआ है ना?
Yeah.
I think मीरा में दिखा दिया. It's a gorgeous bag. Wow, it's beautiful. Hey, Edwin. Hey.
Perfection inside.
Okay, so there is lots of space in here, and it also comes with this bag. So this is how it
Storage
looks
bag.
inside. Yeah. Okay, let's see that third one.
Wow.
On the website, like it looked small. This is the bag.
Take the plastic out.
Yeah, but I didn't see if there's a handle inside.
Oh.
There should be. Okay. There is two handles, okay, so you can use it as a shoulder bag, and also I think as a cross body bag. खाली हैंग करके देखिए. Okay. Wow. Look at this one. So gorgeous.
ये अच्छा है.
अच्छा लगे ना? It's beautiful.
Another one that you were.
Okay, so it has two sections inside, and it also comes with another strap, and there is lots of space inside with a bag, and there is a pocket inside and two of these pockets where you can like put your phones, which is good. I like it. Really good for everyday use bag. Also, I can put my tablet inside there too, no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see another one. Okay, this is a very simple shoulder bag, Okay, this is how this one looks. It's a very simple bag. It has some sections here with a zip thingy and 2 pockets for the phone and any kind of storage, and it's nice. Yeah, this is a good size shoulder bag. Let's see my favorite tote bag, which is this one. I said I got few green ones for the decorations. Nighty. Okay. This is just gorgeous.
Sunday.
Eliza will love this one, no? She likes these types of bag. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, but very ugly too.
You said it's your favorite and it's ugly.
Yeah, it became ugly suddenly.
Now it's nice.
Like, into Eliza.
Okay, so it comes with a zip, which is good. So yeah, there is 2 sections and there is lots of space inside, as you can see, and there is a zip thingy in the middle. This is just a clutch, just like this. It's gorgeous. Edwin, here.
That's ugly. You know what that looks like? Something you get from Kmart.
No, it's gorgeous. तुम्हें तो खाली Kmart याद आए.
Yeah, it's silver.
No, it's beautiful. I like it. And moving on. Okay, so there is another clutch which looks so pretty.
Golden.
Yeah, this is beautiful. हमने तो ईशा कहाँ चला गए?
In the room.
Okay. So it also comes with a strap here and with some space and this bag. Okay, so got 3 small wallets. Okay, first one is this green one, which I matched with the 2 bags. So it only has this 3 card holder. So this is just a card wallet. And the second one is this silver one. I thought girls might like it. So it has some card slots and for the notes, and it also has a spot for some coins, which is good, no? This is a good one. And yeah, it's beautiful. And the third one is the same as this one, and it's white. Yes, it's white and it's just so gorgeous. Also has this zip thingy and some card slots and everything is same. Beautiful wallets. It's not wallets. Yeah, you call this 2 wallets, but this one is just for the card. Card holder, yeah. And like, I think the camera stopped while I was filming this one, so this bag is really pretty. Hey Isha, it's gorgeous, no?
Matches with this.
Yeah, and it has some space here. 3 sections with a zip thingy in between and some pouches for wallets and whatever you want to put, and zip thingy here. And it's called it written there, as you can see. So it's beautiful. Like it? Yeah, she likes it. You like this one?
What is this? Do you just hold it like that?
Yeah. And this one. ऊपर तो थोड़ा. I don't know.
How do you open it?
You like this one?
What? You got 3 of the same.
Yeah, I told you. Look at this.
Wow.
What about this one, Isha?
That's cute. Yes. Look.
Yeah, that's the
Stove.
collet there. Oh, it's just like this one.
Stove over there. Stove.
So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.